one thing that's helped us as our team has grown is not just creating these different sub-accounts for different purposes, but actually inviting our accountant to be a read-only member of our team. So they don't have access to execute transactions, but they can see everything that's going on. And so they spend some time in this page, and what they'll often do is let's filter this by just outbound, and you can see all the outbound transactions coming out of our accounts. We will typically add a memo, or we try to always add a memo. It's not required, but especially if different people are withdrawing funds regularly, we want to know why they're doing that. And so they can come in here, they can see which ones don't have memos. All these on the first page do. I'm sure some of them are missing. So this one transferred USDC from the Eng testing account. We don't have a memo. Ideally we would. We can go in, I could copy this link and share it in our team channel and ask the person to add a memo, or I can add a memo myself. Anyways, yeah, it's sped up our kind of like books closing, because now our accountant can just go in and see what the actual context is for each transaction instead of having to ask us at the end of the month.